Can AI tools help you create the images, logos, and design elements you need for your next planner or card deck? I don't know, but let's find out together. Today I'm going to show you how to use MidJourney, and I'm going to use it to actually create the images for the next planner pop-up shop that's coming out later this month, which is the pet planner. So there are two actually separate planners in there. There's one for new kitten owners and one for new puppy owners. And the reason they're separate is because it's basically kind of the same, but different. So I just wanted to make sure I had kitten specific versus puppy specific things inside of there. Hi everyone, I'm Lisa from Pretty Fabulous, and I help online businesses create pretty pages using Adobe InDesign and Canva, and today AI tools like MidJourney. But if this sounds like you or something you might be interested in, make sure to hit the subscribe button below. I post new videos every Tuesday. All right, so why did I pick MidJourney? I looked around, there were a ton of other options, free and paid, and this one seemed to be the best. And as you know, Canva and Jasper were just hideously horrible and kind of scary looking. So I will share those with you right now. Inside of Canva, and as you can see, the prompt was people with cats. And if you don't know where this is, just start a new design and you should see at the very bottom text to image. Now, not everyone has the AI tool in Canva. They're slowly rolling it out. But I think if you have Pro, it shows up. Don't quote me on that. But anyways, this woman is obviously, I think, probably the scariest photo ever, and a prime example of why I just really don't like this tool for AI art. Now, to be fair, I did put in cute cats Pixar style because obviously we already know Canva is just terrible at making people, but maybe it can make cartoon images, which are a little bit more like clip art. And quite honestly, these aren't too bad. They have crazy eyes. I don't know why on a few of them, but otherwise, I actually don't think this looks too bad. Now, I went ahead and tried Jasper, that same exact prompt, and these are, I want to say, not as good even as the Canva, which is hilarious because Jasper is a paid app. I think I paid extra too, just to have like the AI generated art. But when you go to MidJourney, MidJourney actually did a much better job with their art that you can see right here. So because of that, I think we should all be using MidJourney. So I'm going to show you how to get started. So the first step to using MidJourney is to sign up for a Discord account, which I know you're like, what? Wait, huh? Discord is like Slack. It's just a bunch of people together. I know the concept for me, I don't know why no one talked about this. I was like, what the heck? Why do I have to sign up for Discord? This is how it works. It's like the dark ages. Remember when Commodore 64 first came out and you had to like type stuff in while it was connected to like a tape player to get it to work? That's kind of like what AI is right now. So MidJourney, that's how it works. You sign up for a Discord account. It is free. I would highly suggest downloading the Discord app. And then after you do that, then you go to MidJourney and you sign up for a MidJourney account. The third step is you sign up for a MidJourney paid plan. Now, they say MidJourney is free. However, every time I've tried to use it as a free person, it doesn't work for me. You have to, I believe you have to pay for it right now. It'll say the server's too busy to accommodate free users or beta users or whatever they call it. It's $10 a month. I would say sign up for the $10. Don't sign up for the annual plan until you actually figure out if you like it, if you want to keep using it and learn all the prompts. And quite honestly, I am still not totally sold that this is the way to go for anything. But that's how you can get started on using MidJourney. Once you are signed up, go to MidJourney, go to sign in, and then it's going to ask you, it's going to tell you need to use an external application, which is Discord. Go ahead and say authorize. And then once you authorized it, those two apps will be kind of clicked together, I guess is the right way to say it. So down here at the bottom left, you're going to hit those three dots and you're just going to say go to Discord. Now, I actually have the app. So this is the web-based server. Over here in Discord, it's really confusing because you'll put a prompt in, someone else will put a prompt in, and then all of a sudden it's like Twitter and like there's so much stuff going on, you have no idea what was being talked about, where your prompt was, where anything is. So what I would suggest is creating your own Discord server. So over here on the left, these are all the different servers that I am a member of. All you have to do is scroll all the way here to the bottom. See that plus sign? Click add a server and click create my own. Again, this is free for you. Just say for me and my friends. And then we're going to call it the Seifert personal MidJourney server. whatever you want. You can add a picture so then you know it's you. I actually put a little picture of Lucky for my Seafort personal MidJourney server. So I'm going to click over here on this server and it's going to say welcome to your server. And you're going to say, okay, what do I do now? Now you have to add the bot to your server. Again, don't worry about the words I'm saying. That's what happens with Discord. If you're a Discord expert, you probably are like, it's not that hard, Lisa. But over here at the bottom, click add your first app and then just say check it out. And then there's going to be a lot of things that you can add to your bots. So our bots you can add to your server. So we're just going to put in MidJourney right over here. It's going to find the MidJourney app. We're going to go ahead and say add to server, and it's going to ask you permission. Just say yes, authorize it. I am a human. And then you should be good to go. So now that it's authorized, what does that mean? I don't know. It just means that you can use MidJourney inside of Discord. So we're going to escape out of this and we're going to go back to our MidJourney. So all you have to do to get something to happen is you hit //imagine, and then you can put whatever you want. So let's say we want a 3 kittens playing or sleeping in a bassinet, and then we're going to say in Central Park in summer. And then we're going to put the style, we're going to say this is Pixar style. And then we're going to wait. All right, so we got 4 different variations. Let's say I really like this upper left one, so I can just go ahead and say variation 1 and submit it. Say I want to upscale it, I can just put in U1, and then I can also ask it to make variations. Is made using V5. So if we do /settings over here, it's going to bring up some prompts for us to change the actual default of how it is making these. See, it says V5. I actually didn't put that in. It decided that all on its own, but you can actually adjust these as well. So version 5.1 is like the official default or the one that they think is the best. Version 4 actually does different things as well. And then over here, you can do remix mode on or off. Style, you can do high. It just takes a little longer to I guess render the images. All right, so I was pretty happy with the cute kittens playing with string in Central Park, and then I hit the upgrade 1 on this first image and it came out just a little brighter and a little clearer. Then I tried cute kittens wearing chef hats in a commercial kitchen cooking spaghetti together, Pixar style, and I got these. Again, I really think these are kind of cute. I probably like this second one the best, so if I go ahead and upscale that one, I get a close-up of that. Now, if you're wondering, like everyone says how to learn AI, you might be thinking the words you're using are not the ones that they think. So if you go over here and you put /describe, it's going to prompt you to put an image in there. So let's put an image of me and Lucky over here, and it's going to tell me what it thinks of my image, like in actual words. So then I can learn kind of how it defines stuff. So Asian cat model. So clearly it knows I'm Asian. Feminine body, contemporary frail, young woman holding an orange tabby cat. So it's not, Lucky's an Abyssinian. It thinks it's a tabby for some reason. It also thinks I'm in a bedroom with red curtains. I'm not sure where these are coming from. Oriental. So clearly it can pick out a couple key things, but all these words too kind of tell you that AI still is like super early and it's not perfect. So let's go ahead, some photo prompts. So over here on another server, what I did is I asked it to choose some more Abyssinians cooking spaghetti, a woman with some cats, and then I just tried to zoom in on that as well. All right, so I tried logo for a kitten owner planner, and this is what it came up with. I kind of like this first one, so if we decided to upgrade that first one, or even possibly this third one over here wasn't so bad. We could see what it does when it tries to upscale it. That's kind of cute. It's not bad. I actually really like this upscale one a little better. And then I put some actual colors in there, pink and navy. And I probably like this second one the best. The first one's not too bad. And so this is what we have. Now I know what you're thinking. Well, how am I supposed to actually take this and, turn it into a vector image? You can go ahead and save this image to your desktop, and then go to vectorizer.ai. And then over here inside of Vectorizer, we're going to actually just go ahead and upload that kitty logo over here. And it's going to vectorize it for us so that we can open it then in Illustrator and make any changes that we want. Next, I asked it for some design elements over here, and actually I put in PR instead of Pixar. It was a total typo, but I found that these are actually really cute stickers. I think PR, I looked up what PR is, and it says it's a Gothic style. Not really sure what that means, but I kind of like these for stickers. So if I wanted to make maybe the third one, I could upscale that one. I also asked for a sheet of cute kitten stickers, and I got actual sticker sheets. I didn't want that. I wanted just the images, so that prompt didn't work. And then cat design elements, again, I got some more sticker items, I think, that you could buy. And I feel like these images are things that I would probably buy on Etsy or Design Cuts or something else. So very excited about this fun find right here. If you're like me and you're like, I need some help coming up with how to make a better prompt, you might want to go to this MidJourney prompt helper. And over here we can say cute cats frolicking in a pond together. And so now this is my prompt. You can either copy it or you can add some things. So there's different styles, and they show some of the different kind of images that would show up. So maybe I want to try anime. And maybe over here for lighting, I might want to try electric art. And over here for colors, I might want to say pink. And over here for style, I might want to say higher. And for size, I might want to say I want 2:1 for film and video. I think that's the right one. I'm not really sure. And then depth of field. This might be for, I don't really need a blurry focus. Quality. Again, the higher quality, I think the longer it takes to render, so it's just you waiting on your time. Seed is, I believe seed was like a 5-digit code or something like that, where you put, there were other images, you could get the seed number and then it will do a variation or something within that same style. Chaos, I don't know, let's go ahead and try it. It goes from 0 to 100. Materials, and this is just, if you're like me and you're like, I'm really just not sure what all the options are and how to add them in, you could do this. Now it's put together this prompt for me. All you have to do is copy prompt. I can head right back over to my MidJourney Discord. I can say, and I can just paste this in, hit return, and now it's going to go ahead and work on that. And I think that is how you get that cool looking surrealist futuristic art. I don't know that any of these fit the style for my cute kitty planner, but I really like it. So if you are thinking of using an AI tool to generate images, 100%, I recommend going with MidJourney. Don't bother with all the free ones or the other ones. And again, like you saw, the different levels of quality in the free tools and even the paid ones like Jasper, you're better off just going with MidJourney and learning how to use Discord. I will leave a link to that prompt creator over here in case you find that helpful. And also, I will be back next week. I'm super excited about this find with the stickers. I will be doing a tutorial on how to create stickers using MidJourney. Because as you know, I can't draw, and I'm so excited that I never wasted time learning how to draw, because now we can use AI tools. So I'm excited about AI tools for this purpose, and we're going to go explore that more in depth next week. All right, I hope everyone's having a fabulous and wonderful day, and keep an eye out. I will be releasing the kitty cat and puppy planner later this month. It's going to be a pop-up shop, so it's going to come with all the social media, all of the different logos and everything else, and I will let you know how much of it was AI generated versus what I purchased from stock images. All right, bye everyone.